Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for the continuation of chapter 7 in chemistry, metals and non-metals. Today I would like to explain you physical properties of metals. For this you can refer to page number 91 and 92 in your textbook. Before I start this, I would like to recapitulate that we have done in previous class. Now what are metals and non-metals? Elements which have shining surfaces, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity, and have 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons are called metals. Elements which have dull surfaces, non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat and electricity, but are good insulators and have 4, 5, 6 or 7 valence electrons are called non-metals. Now let's move on to today's topic. Physical properties of metals. Physical state. Metals are generally solid at room temperature. Exception, mercury and gallium. These are the liquid metals. They are liquid at room temperature. Next, hardness. Metals are generally hard solid. Exception, potassium and sodium. These are soft metals which can be cut with a knife. Now next here, luster. Luster means having shining surfaces. Metals have shining surfaces. Here luster, metals possesses built-in luster because they reflect light instead of absorbing. Now exception here, sodium and potassium have dull surfaces. They are non-lustrous. Now next here, melting point. Melting point. What is melting point? Melting point is the particular temperature at which a solid melts and changes into its liquid state. Metals have high melting point. Exception, sodium and potassium have low melting point as they are soft metals. Boiling point. Now what is boiling point? Boiling point is the particular temperature at which a liquid starts boiling and changes into its vapor state. Here metals have high boiling point. Exception here, mercury and gallium have low boiling point. Now next here, density. Now what is density? Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. Metals have high density. Exception here, magnesium, aluminium, titanium. Now next, ductility. Ductility is the property of the substances in which they can be drawn into thin wire. Metals are ductile. Metals are ductile. They can be drawn into thin wire. Gold is the most ductile substance. Exception here, zinc, mercury and gallium are non-ductile. That means they cannot be drawn into thin wire. Now next, malleability. Malleability is the property of the substances in which they can be beaten into thin sheet without breaking them. Metals are malleable. Here you can see malleability. Metals are malleable. Gold is the most malleable substance. Exception, zinc, mercury and gallium. These are non-malleable. Now next here, electrical conductivity. Metals are good conductor of electricity. They allow to flow an electric current. Exception, tungsten is the bad conductor of electricity. Now next here, thermal conductivity. Metals are good conductor of heat. Now last one here, sonority. Metals are sonorous because they produce sound when struck with hard materials. Exception, potassium and sodium. These are the metals which are non-sonorous. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.